Hi everyone, so we are on the Symphony of the Seas in a grand suite, which is their suite class, and we're going to show you around our room as well as the lounge. Let's go. Welcome to our room. We have a grand suite, and this is the room. We are Emma and Jack Lindsay. Together with our daughter, we love to travel and experience different places. How we get there and what we do is always different. Life is too short, so get out and live a little. Let's start off in the bedroom. So you've got a great vanity here to do makeup and everything. Lots and lots and lots of storage. Hair dryer. Whole bunch of drawers, side tables. You got a bunch of plugs on the side. This is a Royal King, which basically just means that it's like curved on the edges instead of it being straight.
Ooh, I got the plugs this time.
Jack's got a bunch of plugs on his side. And then we have curtains here to block the bedroom off from the living space. And if you come this way, we've got a lovely couch, 2 chairs, TV, even more storage. You helping show, Pops? And then we've got like a little kitchenette kind of thing here. You've got some more shelves here, some more storage. You got a coffee maker. You get a bottle of water just for day one. Big closets. Lots and lots of storage. And then there's some shelves here too, so you can put some more stuff. These do not move, they are stationary. They're glued down.
Thank God.
More drawer space. More cabinets. This is a massive safe. You could definitely fit a laptop in there. It's not super deep, but it's really, really wide. And then bathroom. Come on in. Nice big bathroom, double sink. You got some more storage. Some more storage in the mirror. It's got a humongous tub.
It holds 2 people.
If you saw our last video, the other one was really, really high up. This one's definitely still a bit of a step in, but not quite as bad. And you have this handle right here, so that's definitely helpful. In there, you got some upgraded shower amenities. We took a decently long shower, and it did slightly flood. This is not fully sealed here. So if you get any water and you take a long one, it kind of just drips down and slightly floods the bathroom. Last but not least, we've got the balcony. So if you come on this way, that's locked. Come on out to our balcony. So you got a nice little table here with some chairs and then some loungers. So it's a really good space to have and hang out, and you can eat here, have some coffee, eat, relax. Awesome space, great size balcony, especially for tropical weather. Fantastic. And then the view of Miami. Massive window, you can't get out of it, but you have an awesome view from your bed of the beautiful Caribbean, or in this case, Miami. Right under the coffee maker, there is a little mini fridge. We brought that wine. Poppy! There is a mini fridge here. Poppy doesn't seem to want me to show it to you. So throughout the room, you have switches like this one. And when you twist it, it gets lighter or darker, and all you have to do is just twist it. Okay, so after being in this room for about a week, my biggest pet peeve is probably this coffee maker. So this cord plugs in all the way back there, this black one. It is the farthest plug. This lovely guy is glued down, so you cannot move it. And this, you can't move any closer, and if you're to try and move this guy, you cannot fit him on a diagonal. So you have to get it touching this and as close to the edge of this counter as possible. If you're back at all, that plug's not going in. It's something super silly, but it's literally, if they just took this out, it would be solved pretty easily. Okay, so if you stay in our room, you come off the elevators, you go this way. We're really, really close to the elevators, which I just think is kind of helpful for people to know. You come down this hallway, and you are just a few doors down. We are right here. In your room, you get a bunch of different paperwork, and these were probably two of the most important ones. Obviously, all of this is subject to change, but these were the rules when we had sailed. Now let's go check out the suite lounge as well as Coastal Kitchen. They are all connected. To go to the suite lounges, you go to 17. Gotta tap your card. This area is for Sky and Star class. So this is the lounge area. Concierge sits right there. They have specific hours. And then if you come over this way, it's not time right now, but they will have little snacks and hors d'oeuvres here between the hours of 5 and 8. You can get snacks, and then at any time during the day, you can get coffee and tea. There are complimentary snacks as well as a happy hour between the hours of 5 and 8 every day. There's also a bar here, and you can get drinks between 11 and 11, wine, beer, and sodas. And as you can see, the bar is kind of placed in the middle of the two. This is Coastal Kitchen over here. And this, they have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Dinner, you need reservations. Got a good amount of seats. And you can come for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They just ask for dinner, you make a reservation. But otherwise, you can just come as you please for breakfast and lunch. If you don't want to use this door, there is also, no, there's not. I lied. This is just a massive window.
Good, outtake. Number 1.
Blooper 1. We brought that wine. Pop it. Are you gonna close it? Yeah. There is a mini fridge here. There's a mini fridge here. That is our wine. I asked for.
So, just stop what you're doing.
Why won't you let me film this?
Hey, she needs to go down.